Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to play 2v2 in Clash Royale. Playing 2v2 in Clash Royale is still possible, but it works a bit differently now compared to older versions. Instead of being a permanent game mode, 2v2 usually appears as part of the special events or challenges, like the current Goblin Party Rocket. When an event features 2v2, you can simply select it from the challenge menu and instantly team up with another player. The other way to enjoy 2v2 is through your clan. Just head to the friendly battle section, scroll down, and choose the 2v2 battle option to pair up with your clanmates. It's a great way to practice teamwork, experiment with decks, or just have some casual fun without the pressure of trophies. Keep in mind, the classic 2v2 mode isn't always available anymore. It shows up as limited time events or clan friendly matches, so make the most of it whenever you see it pop up. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.